Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Fitia app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.